I just got home from work and I found out that the high school activities are canceled because it's pretty much a blizzard outside. If you can see, there's like a ton of snow, and that's all come down in like the last hour. And it's gonna continue until tomorrow morning. So we got a whole lot to look forward to. So I think I'm gonna go get changed and try and shovel a little bit, so then when I shovel again, it's not gonna be as bad. But it's going to be cold.
Hello, you guys. Oh, hi, Nunu. Yes, hi, Nunu. So I just got home. I actually came home early because it is so bad outside. I have no idea if Zach has shown you how like icky it is, but like he's already like blowing the driveway off, and like I exactly an hour ago from right now I left my last appointment. Can you guys see? Yeah, you can see all the snow. Like you can't see the deck at all. Like our step is right here that we like walk across.
Nora is playing in the snow. No, she's not gonna do it. I think she's trying to stay on the deck because I shoveled it once. But you still can't tell.
I just completely struggled. Nora was like hardcore chasing her tail. And my phone died, so I was like, oh, I can't get it. And then I looked down and Zach had his phone in here. So I like picked it up to get it and she stopped like immediately. She's like been doing that the past couple days. I don't know why, but I like that she is. I think that's like one of the cutest puppy things ever. I'll try and catch it later tonight if she does it again though.
Is she doing it?
Where's the camera?
Yeah. So we have had so much snow today. How much did you say we had?
As of 8, someone reported to like the National Weather Service 10.5 inches of snow.
So much for that whole 4 to 7 inches thing, huh?
Right? It's still going.
Yeah, and like it's not even just like light snow, like it's just continually still snowing. Zach cleared the driveway and the back deck 2 times already, and it looks like he hasn't done anything. So, I think you got quite a bit of snow. Tomorrow, you don't have to wake up early tomorrow, right?
No, thankfully.
Thank goodness. And I won't have to go anywhere right away in the morning either. So thankfully we will at least be able to be here for a bit in the morning and not have to deal with the direct aftermath of all of this. But some schools are like already closed tomorrow. Like they closed them at like 4 today. They just already said they weren't going in tomorrow, and there's a bunch of places delayed. So we'll have to see how we wake up in the morning.